Hello, my name is Dr. David Sweeney from Atlanta, Georgia. I wanted to discuss scleral lens design using wave, and in particular I want to focus on creating the perfect and consistent edge every time. This is the edge that I've been creating using wave, nice parallel to the conjunctiva, clearing the limbus and the stem cells. Uh, and the key is not clearing too much and or too little. This is not a design that I would have wanted, but I had created in Wave in previous to this new design. Ski jump profile here and kicking up a lot of debris. This lens was also designed using Wave, not ideal either, touching the cornea, limbus, and conch. So how to create a profile that looks like this, parallel and with limbal clearance. So let's start by extrapolating using my razor first. I'm going to just reduce the size and clean up this top edge here a little bit. Next I want to extrapolate and make it a little bit bigger. And I'm using my ruler and go out from this third ring. Spread out these rings, so about 6.5 centimeters. Keep an eye on this third ring here. Go down to here. 6.5 centimeters. Then I want to go the same distance horizontally from the center, so 15.5 on the left side. Let's go to 15.5 on this side, maybe 15.3. And so these rings are evenly spaced. Time to design a lens. So yes, and no, I'm just going to average. Say yes to this average distinctness data. So what I've done is I've moved the diameter to 15.7, which is 4 millimeters larger than HVID. I brought the red dot to 9.5. Usually I go 9.5 to 10.7. 10.7 usually the standard, but this one is a little steep, so I brought it in a little bit to 9.5. I put the blue dot at 12.10, and just 0.4 millimeters larger than HVID, and then the pink dot a millimeter outside that. I also move the center thickness to 41, edge to 30, click the edge box with like a freeform edge, and I used RSIM. So I'm going to let it run at current settings there. I'll save it now. So now after saving it, I reopened it and I changed this to 560, this to 8x, and I'm going to go up on the edge to get the lift angle to at about 41 or so. Go down the pink a little bit. So I want to kind of get a little starting point at 41 lift angle and a center of about 100, 120 microns. Okay, I'll just so right now I'm at about 120 center clearance, 121 my lift angle. Limbal clearance at HVID is 84.5, so that's pretty good. And I'm going to end up with a lift angle of 37.5 to 39. So right now I want to kind of create a reverse curve. So I'm going to click down on this blue. I'm going to change this 8 to 4, and so you can use the blue down, and then you can also go up with the red too. So I'm looking for like about a 4 to 10 Doppler reverse. 6 is great here, and so center now is 195. So I'm going to go down the pink a couple times, and now I'm going to go back up in the black. So I want to get to my 39 or so for this patient, and pause it there. So now I'm going to check center. The limbal clearance is 170 is 90.6, maybe a little high. I'd like to be 70 to 90, so let's adjust that blue down, maybe 1, and then get the center back at 200 approximately. So now it's at 84.2, and I'm going to fine tune the edge a little bit. To fine tune the edge a little bit, see how it got thicker there?